Professor HT sitting in the HT Design Addison, our newest seat in microfiber. I wish the missus was here because I got a nice love seat, but she's not here, so I'll just have to sit here by myself. The HT Design is a classic design theater seat with stainless steel cups, and it has it black, so you can go either with this or the silver, but the silver looks great. It comes in multiple configurations, colors, the red, the black leather like that, and like the red leather on that armrest. It's a simple control here. You've got your power recline here. There's a USB port right here. So you basically use these controls. It's only one control, so it's very easy to use. And you've got, I'm going to recline. It's very soft and supple. And a high back, about 44-inch back height. And it's 23.5-inch seat. Goes all the way back here. This is the nice alternative if somebody doesn't want leather. We stock it in this microfiber. We can send you samples. Addison also has a very cool design, Art Deco style armrest, which starts low, smaller here and flares out on top. So it's like an Art Deco design that goes with its headrest, which also flares out. So I would call this interior design friendly. And a lot of the interior designers would love this seat. Got a very deep storage arm in here for your tray table, which is optional. We also have optional accessories like wine holder that would go in the seat, and we have tablet holders. So everything right here goes right in here. And then we also have an optional portable armrest that would go in the seat. We also have a tablet holder that would go in here that would fit both a phone or a tablet holder. I have a phone I can demonstrate. So that, and then go horizontal or this way, and then it'll go to a tablet holder width. So it's very versatile. All these are optional on our website. Popular configurations are row of 3, row of 4 with love seat. The tray table is optional on our site. Does not come with the tray table, but we have optional black tables that we can ship that go in like so. This is a seat for somebody who doesn't want all the fancy lighting and all that. Just wants a classic HT theater seat at a good value. HT Design Addison comes in microfiber black, black leather, and red. Professor HT with the Addison. HTmarket.com.